This video will show you what to do if Roblox is not opening on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So to fix this, first head to the search menu and then type in core isolation. Now select the first result that appears. Now in the Windows security app, you'll need to make sure that this memory integrity option is turned on. If this toggle is off, simply turn it on and then restart your PC. However, if this option is already on, what you need to do is head to the search menu and this time type in date and time settings. Now select this first result that appears. Now in the settings app, you will first need to turn off this set time automatically toggle. So make sure to turn it off and then click on this change button right here. So this will allow you to change the date and time manually. What you need to do is don't change the time, just simply set the date for the next day. So for me it's January 2nd. I'll just simply go ahead and set it to January 3rd. So all you have to do is basically select the next day from here and then click on this check mark and then finally click on change. Once you have done that, simply go ahead, try opening Roblox again and it should then work. However, if this doesn't work and your laptop or PC is using NVIDIA graphics driver, what you can do is open the NVIDIA app. Now here you will need to first go to this graphics tab right here. Now here go to this global settings tab. Now in here make sure that the smooth motion option is set to off. If this option is on, you may have problems opening Roblox, so make sure to turn it off. Additionally, you also need to go to program settings, select Roblox and make sure that the smooth motion option is not enabled from here. So as you can see, it's currently off, so it's fine. Now try opening Roblox again and see if it works. However, if nothing else works, make sure you aren't using River Tuner or MSI Afterburners. So click on this system tray icon. If you see River Tuner or MSI Afterburner in this menu, simply right click it and then close it from there. So these programs can interfere with Roblox and prevent it from opening. So make sure to disable these programs or uninstall them if possible. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to simply disconnect any extra hardware devices that are connected. So if it's a controller or a gaming wheel that you have connected to your laptop, simply unplug them and then try launching Roblox again. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to simply uninstall Roblox from here. So simply click on uninstall and then click on uninstall again. Once you have removed Roblox completely, head to the Microsoft Store, search for Roblox and then download it from here. So once you have downloaded, Roblox should work fine. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.